Welcome back everyone, Triple M here, and if you're someone who owns an Amazon Fire TV stick with the new update, the UI that looks like this, there's a secret menu that you might not know about. So in this video, I am going to show you which version of the Fire Stick I have, which software I'm running on it. Also, I'm going to go into the menu, show you what options and features are available. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So before we jump into it, guys, head over to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. So before we get into the secret menu, let me just show you which version of the Fire TV stick I'm running, as well as which software versions I'm running. So I'm gonna go to my settings, gonna go to my Fire TV, click on about. So you can see there, this is the Fire TV Stick Lite. This should work on any version of the Fire TV Stick, the 4K to 4K Max and so on and so forth. So this is the Fire TV Stick Lite. And if I go down to check for updates, and let me just check it just to make sure I'm up to date. And let me just go ahead and bring it up to date. All right, let's go ahead and we'll just install and reboot. Alright, so that took less than a minute and a half, so maybe it was just a minor update. So there's the Fire TV Stick version. It is Fire OS 7.2.4.2. Obviously, it does work on previous versions of the Fire OS, and today is January 11, 2022. So let me go back. Alright, so Fire TV Stick Lite. And now, what is the secret menu? How do you get to it? So depending on which remote you have, if you click once on your microphone button, or maybe it's the new blue Alexa button, you should see a new pop-up. So let me go ahead and test it out. So this menu is brand new. Of course, if you hold the voice function on the remote, it will bring up your favorite voice assistants, not gonna say its name, and it should allow you to speak into the remote and get into some different options. So when you click it once, you have 4 menus that pop up, and you can see them here, and I think they're pretty cool, pretty useful as well. So first one is gonna be your news, you have your library, weather, and you have your smart home. Let's go ahead and check out news and see what's on there. So up top, you can see I have my news, I have local news, which looks like it's the local channels for me at least. Trending, so what's going on around the world. You can see the different sources there, ABC, Newsy, and so on and so forth. I have live, and this is gonna go based on what streaming services you have. Categories, business, politics, sports, entertainment, and tech. Channels. And we have our preferences where we can go through, we can arrange it how we want. Then we can go through the different channels as well. So next is going to be my library. Let's go ahead and check that out. Watch list is right there, obviously. Look like the kids got a hold of this. Go down and have DVR manager. So you guys can go in and play with these settings later. You have the guide there. You have the option to schedule recordings. You can play with your record priority and your DVR settings. So if you have the Fire TV Stick recast or something like that, you do have everything right there at your fingertips. So next we're going to have our weather. And the weather is pretty self-explanatory, straightforward. It tells you the current temperature as well as the temperature throughout the night. So you can't really do anything else, just kind of tells you what's going on for the next couple hours. And last but not least, and I think this is probably the most important and most impressive feature, is your smart home. So depending on which account your Fire TV Stick is logged into, if it's connected to your Amazon account, which has these smart devices connected, you're gonna be able to not only look at but control and view your smart devices. So up top, I have my smart home. I have my lights, which looks like a lot of them are offline because I never went in and cleaned up after the move. I have plugs, so these are my smart plugs. I have my switches, and I have my cameras. So cameras, these are the cameras that are linked to my Amazon account. You can see I have the kids' bedroom, I have the old front door, and I have the new front door, as well as the living room. So old front door, I probably need to go in and delete that, and this is a good way to kind of see what's currently working and what's not. So the old front door is an old device from the old house. The new front door, you can see there's a nice preview image, and if you click on it, it will show you a live view of your actual camera. In this case, it is going to be the front door. And in this case, it is also going to be very dark outside. So you have the option to turn the mic on and off. Let's see if that works with the remote. Anybody there? So that actually works. So all you need to do there is just hold down your voice assistant button, and you can go ahead and talk through your Fire Stick to kind of communicate if someone's at the front door. Let's go ahead and we'll check out my smart plugs. This, I definitely need to go in and delete these ones that are no longer up and running. So one thing that I do have is I do have lights at my review table, and how this works is when I go to record an unboxing or whatever the case is, I can just use the plug to turn on all the lights just to avoid me clicking multiple switches or having to reach somewhere to get it. So let's go ahead and see if we can turn that on via the actual Alexa. And if you listen carefully, you should be able to hear the click. And there it goes again. So in the comments, let me know if you knew about this one-click function of the voice assistant on your remote. Let me know if it's something that you see yourself using. As always, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, share this video. Thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.